Where we are in this case, we know we're still pretty deep in the thick of the state's case in chief, trying to prove that 14 murders occurred. We know that the defense is that this was comfort care this doctor was providing. Tell me what you see as the biggest challenges the state of Ohio is facing as they're going through trying to prove to this jury that these deaths were in fact murders under the law.
Yeah, a couple of things that stand out to me right away. One, these dosages that we're talking about, 10 to 20 times the amount of fentanyl, are so shocking that I've always wondered to myself, well, why immediately wasn't he charged with murder? If this is so outside of the bounds of the standard of care, why wasn't he immediately brought in front of the police for this? And that's because it's not so much of a science, is it? It's more of an art, and each patient is different, and each doctor is different. So I think they're gonna have a tough time showing that this doctor went beyond just kind of the outside bounds of the standard of care and into the criminal element. The other thing, and people have talked about this many times before, and it's a huge issue, is motive. I understand that the prosecution doesn't have to prove that, but if they don't give these jurors an answer to that in this case, I don't think they're winning this case. Because if you're one of the 12 sitting in that room, you're thinking, okay, maybe this sounds like it's a little out of control, the amount of medicine he was giving to these folks who were on their way transitioning into death, but why? Why would he be doing it? Why am I going to convict this man of murder if I don't even understand what his motives were?